I wanted to be a writer, I also wanted to be a magazine editor, and I think I also wanted to be a singer. My name is Kamin Mohammadi, and I teach creative writing and travel writing. The wonderful thing about the creative writing course is that you get to flex your writing muscles in all different formats and genres. So my students this term, they've been writing essays, they've been writing short fiction, they've been writing poetry, we've even done character studies, we've been out watching people watching and writing from life. So it really is an opportunity to try all different sorts of writing and formats, and I can feed back and help you along with any of those so that you can find the places that you're most comfortable writing. All you need is a love of literature, maybe of books, a love of language. Through my travel writing course, I educate the students in the art of travel writing, but I'm also really keen to get them out into Florence because we are in one of the most beautiful places in the world. And so they get to learn really on the spot. We'll take them out, we'll do exercises around reviewing, around how to watch, what to notice, how to pick up information. At the same time, they've done everything for me from hotel and restaurant reviews to more thought pieces reflecting on the art of travel or what they love about travel. Travel writing course really welcomes everybody as long as you have some, really basic English language skills. I think that's absolutely fine. I give them, I hope, some habits that they're going to go away with for life. And we really use this course to make sure that they can really understand how to describe a place that's as magical as this one. I think that SRISA has a wonderful artistic atmosphere. I think that it really, especially for students interested in the arts, it provides a lot of facilities, a lot of possibilities that are harder to access in by yourself. From my point of view, I think that students here are really well supported. They're given the right amount of freedom as well as discipline, and obviously it's in a wonderful place located in Florence, which can do nothing but inspire you. I love my students. They absolutely are wonderful. The idea that I'm a writer, I've been a writer and a journalist and a broadcaster and a magazine editor, and I've won many awards in the past 30 years in my career. And the idea that I can actually pass some of my skills and my knowledge on to the younger generation is very wonderful for me. So I think my favorite thing is really working with the students that I've had because they're so fresh. They teach me as well about how to experiment, how to be flexible, and I feel like we've had some wonderful adventures together. Yes, please meet Jenny. She comes to all my classes with me. She's my assistant teacher. She's much more strict than I am.